In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find under $10 sale in Depop. If you love thrifting deals and want to stretch your budget, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and how to evaluate listings before you add them to your bag. Start by opening your browser and heading to depop.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the main navigation across the top or the menu icon if you're on a smaller screen. There, you'll see a section labeled Sale. Click that to open Depop's dedicated markdown area. Inside the Sale section, find the under $10 option and select it. This instantly filters the sale items, so you're only seeing pieces with a current price of $10 or less. It's a simple way to zero in on the steepest discounts without scrolling through full-price listings. You'll now be on the under $10 sale page, where items are displayed in a grid. Take a moment to scan what's available. You'll typically see a wide mix of categories, everything from shirts and tops to bags, accessories, and shoes. So there's a good chance you'll spot something that fits your style. Keep in mind that the item price doesn't include shipping, so the total you pay may be a bit higher than the sticker price. It's helpful to mentally account for that as you browse. When something catches your eye, click the listing to open it. This is where you can get the full picture of the item. Scroll through all photos to see the piece from different angles and look closely for details like fabric texture, hardware, and any visible wear. Read the description carefully for sizing, material, and condition notes. If measurements are provided, compare them to a similar piece you already own to ensure a good fit. Pay attention to the pricing area as well. You'll usually see the sale price alongside the original price, sometimes with the original crossed out or shown as a markdown. This helps you understand how much you're saving and whether the discount matches your expectations. Before you add the item to your bag, double-check the condition notes, the size or fit information, and the shipping cost and location. Also glance at the seller's rating and recent feedback to make sure you're comfortable with their track record. If the listing mentions variations like sizes or colors, confirm the correct option is selected. Once everything looks good, go ahead and add it to your bag. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Sale, choose under $10, browse the selection, open what you like, review the price and details, and make your pick. Happy deal hunting!